challenging the idea of a traditional four-year college degree.
Courtney Guerra shows us an intense 14-week software development course.
Students who finish have local employers lined up to interview them for high-paying jobs, and so far every graduate has gotten a job.
So Element is going to take each element of the array in turn. Each iteration it will get a new element to the array.
The devCodeCamp is a boot camp designed to work mental muscles.
devCodeCamp set out to disrupt traditional education. Well, we're putting 700 hours in 14 weeks. We do not skimp on content.
The intense course puts students through project after project that requires solving real-world problems.
Right now we're actually working on a project where we have to kind of mimic an ATM. So like if you use an ATM, like you have to, if you want to withdraw money or deposit money, we just kind of have to figure out how to put that into place.
Alexa Klotz is 18 years old and a recent Milwaukee high school graduate. When it came time to decide between college or coding camp, Alexa says cost and time drove her decision.
You'll get the same information in the 14 weeks we're here compared to 4 years of schooling.
Full-time classes cost just under $15,000, but starting salaries are slightly above Wisconsin's average.
Our graduates, after a 14-week program, see an average salary of $55,000 a year.
Michael Terrell has a business degree, but decided to try coding camp after learning about the huge gap between employers looking for software developers and not having enough talent to choose from.
I decided, just take a chance. Let's check this out.
Terrell wants a future in Milwaukee and says devCodeCamp is setting him up for that.
They really do emphasize on what's going on in Milwaukee right now. What are these jobs? What do they want? And that's what they're teaching here. So we're fully prepared.
You don't have to know code before taking the course.
I came in with a little bit of background knowledge. A lot of my classmates came in with no knowledge. Yeah, that happened to me.
Third week student Adam Martell says there's one specific quality software developers have.
It's definitely something for someone who likes to solve problems, put puzzles together.
Once students complete the camp, they get 4 weeks of interview and resume training to make sure they're ready when employers come knocking.
The last time that you had the devCodeCamp had a graduating class, we actually brought in all 5 of the students to interview, and they all interviewed exceptionally well.
The average class size is about 14 students, and for every student there are 8 employers lined up to talk to them.
It's a fantastic way for us to get people with the necessary coding skills that can walk in, know the programming languages, know how to do the development work, and then we can nurture them and we can help grow their career internally at our company.
One note, there are loan options for this camp. Courtney Garish, today's TMJ4.
And we have extended interviews about devCodeCamp at our website, tmj4.com. Log on to hear from an employer who will explain how bootcamp students can set themselves apart from students who have a 4-year degree. Check out those interviews at the website, tmj4.com.